My name is Charlie Anarkan. I'm the General Manager of Manufacturing and Resources at Microsoft. Manufacturers and all energy companies across the world are seeing a lot of disruption, unprecedented change in their respective industries. At Microsoft, we take pride in being able to say we are ready to partner with the largest enterprises today, particularly in manufacturing and resources, to enable change, to empower them through their digital journeys. All our customers are still looking for growth, for accelerated innovation, and for operational excellence. So we're proud to have a platform that enables all of those. PROS is our preferred partner when it comes to the entire CPQ, the configure, price, quote process. Through tools like price guidance, smart CPQ, opportunity detection, we actually accelerate our customers' cycles in taking data, turning into insights, to actions, and then the outcomes that they want to drive. We have taken actions to make PROS and PROS offerings available through our entire set of Microsoft Technology Centers around the globe, over 50 of them, so that we could make those available to our customers and to our joint account teams between Microsoft and PROS. And today, we can offer demos, we can offer proof of concepts, we can offer customer-ready use cases and other public cases to bring it to life from a profit optimization, from smart pricing in terms of how our customers will engage with their customers differently, and then be able to deliver whatever they see value in through our partnership between PROS and Microsoft. Talk to your Microsoft rep or PROS representative and see what we have to offer in this disrupt or be disrupted type of environment, and particularly when it comes to how you engage with your customers and how you look at pricing and profit optimization.